Welcome to my Rust CLI Binary with SQLite project. This project delivers our comprehensive data extraction, transformation, loading, and querying tool, all developed using Rust with Github Copilot. As you can see from my architecture diagram, this tool offers functions for extraction, transform, and load operations on datasets, and then perform queries on our SQLite database, which covers create, read, update, delete, and general query operations. Here's a general workflow overview of my projects, include Rust initiation and dependencies installation, Github Copilot translation from Python to Rust, ETL query implementation, logging, GitHub Actions, and generating optimized Rust binary. In this project, I use the airline safety dataset from GitHub, and you can find the resource link here. Now I'm going to go over more details for this project. So in the first step, I initialize the Rust project by running the cargo init inside the directory. I set up a new Rust project by creating our cargo.toml file, our src directory, and our gigignore file. So in my cargo.toml file, I have specified the metadata and dependencies. And after setting up the cargo.toml, I use cargo build to install those Rust dependencies. And we can see here that the Rust dependencies are all successfully installed. The librs file provides a set of functions that work to extract data from a URL, store it as a local CSV file, and transform load it into a SQLite database, and then provide query functions with all executed queries are logged for future references. And the minrs file provides our command line interface for us to perform ETL query in the librs. And the ETL test.rs file provides unit tests for the core ETL functions of the TINA-E SQLite crate. And here, let's go to my makefile. And so the makefile provides a set of tests to automate various aspects of developing, linting, formatting, testing, and managing these Rust projects. Here I have customized some tests related to this database, including extract, transform load, create, read, update, and delete. And lastly, here's my CI YAML file. It builds our CI/CD pipeline for building, testing, and managing this Rust project on GitHub. Now I'm going to demonstrate how my project actually works. So let's do make extract and make transform load. So this gets the airline safety dataset from GitHub to the SQLite database. And now on my desktop, I'm going to open database. So now the airline safety database is already successfully loaded on my DB browser for SQLite. And now I'm going to do some simple CRUD operations. Let's do make create. So this creates our new data entry called Happy Airline. And here we can see that Happy Airline is successfully created in my dataset. And we can also do make read. This gets us the information about Happy Airline. And then we can do make update to update the information for Happy Airline. And here we can see that the information is successfully updated because of the numeric data entries are changed from 1 to 0. And lastly, we can also do make delete. And this has deleted our Happy Airline. As we can see that Happy Airline with ID 57 is no longer here. So it has successfully deleted. If you want to make your own query, you can also do cargo run query and then put your customized query here. And now let's do make format, make linked, and make test. Here we can see that all of them are successfully approved here. So that's basically the demonstration of my ETL query tool with create, read, update, and delete operations. We can see the log file here. It has shown all of the successful database operations here. We can also access the optimized Rust binary file in the GitHub Actions. So let's click on the actions. So here we can see that this is the optimum binary, and it is downloaded here. We can see that my binary is successfully loaded. It's called TINA-E SQLite. So that's all about my Rust CLI binary with SQLite project, and thank you so much for watching.